Bazali bami, so welcome to Life with Makajeni. I am Umakajeni. On this channel, we are unpacking all the trending topics, and today's topic is about Pastor Omotoso, guys. But I'll start by saying sorry, guys. I know my voice sound weird, but I have not been uploading videos due to me writing my exams and I just can't stop nje ukuhlala nga-upload isikhathi eside, understand. Ngapha manje sengiqalwa yi-flu, so ngiyaxolisa kakhulu. Cane ngixolele nje kule ndawo, but today I just wanted to talk about the case ka-Omotoso. I think I did a video, if not in this channel, on my other channel. Please subscribe to it, which is Umkosi Nomakajeni. So Pastor Omotoso, I know we do have a right, or he deserves being called a pastor. He's a pastor of Obegaboshiwe due to grave cases. There were ladies, young girls who were attending a Sontolake, but yeah, they went there to find God and to praise God, but only to find out ukuthi upastor uzobahlukumeza ngokwecandi. So Pastor Omotoso won a case, guys, but him winning a case is not to say these ladies, they are not telling the truth. These ladies were telling the truth, but the court says there was not enough evidence ukuthi bangagwema uOmotoso. But Mabamkhipha, they also stated that Omotoso mele abuyele ekhantrini yakhe because he is not a South African, he's a foreign pastor, we understand. So Pastor Omotoso, it's been a month, if not 3 weeks, aphumile, but uboshiwe futhi bamtholile futhi bamthole ekhaya elisha, and manje uboshwele ukuthi amaphoyisa amthole 4 o'clock in the morning. 4 o'clock in the morning, uboshwele bathi he has violated the Immigrant Act, meaning angithi bokuthiwe amaphepha wakhe lawo anawo ahleli nawo la eSouth Africa awasekho emthethweni, awekho right. Kumele abuyele country yakhe alungise lawo maphepha, but ke him being him, angithi he thinks he is above the law. So uboshiwe futhi kuthiwa ulande 4 o'clock in the morning wamukisa phakathi la kumele ehlane ntanga. Guys, I wanna lie, I'm so happy yingakho ngenza le video even though I'm sick. I am so happy, and I think this time those girls, they'll find justice, since we've seen that politicians way today, they don't entertain this thing. Omotoso, they don't talk about it, but only EFF is the only party who's talking about it. Let's just talk it in this, so guys, let's just tell the truth. They had a case umechi bekabulandiwe manje kuthiwe makazoba e-court because he said something about Umini, something that engavumelani naye, but I just felt as if we have serious problems, guys, that we need to focus on, like these ladies who didn't get justice. Now these girls, they are scared, and the girl said akakhaleli ekuning. She was crying, that lady. She said she's crying because lo muntu uphumile uyazisola ukuthi why bekakhuluma. And guys, if that week, if you went to TikTok, you will see many rape victims. They were saying yingakho mina ngahambanga ngimbophisa umuntu wangihlukumeza because I know the justice system will fail me, and lo muntu uzobuya, and when he comes back, only God knows ukuthi uzongenzani. When he comes back, only God knows good on his mind kuhamba ini, just because he has done this thing before. Next now saying him bopisile ngalwela ama rights wami, and I just wanted justice to take into, but again justice ingafailile. So makabuye, there are chances are ukuthi uzongicima. Yeah, understand. So I'll rather just keep quiet and keep moving, which is something in South Africa we need to fix, guys. We cannot live in a country whereby umuntu uzohlukumeza, like a young girl as uzohlukumeza and not get the justice. You understand? We cannot live in a country whereby umuntu makahlukunyeziwe. And guys, a lot of rape cases is not people that abantu abazi. You can uthuzele mohlangane nomuntu nje ocabanga ukuthi ayiqabangayo akwenze leyo nto leyo. So it's happening everywhere. Isenzeka ezindlini, iyenzeka kuma taverns, iyenzeka kuma, not even nisho concerts, are everywhere. It's something that is happening, and a lot of people, they are not getting justice. I think that is something that we need to focus on, which is our justice system, guys. So Pastor Omotoso went back in 20, and I've seen there's a trending video of a lady. Yabona nje into engixasula kuyo yonke into lento ngala that video. Umama omdala lo khala lapho, uyakhala la mama uthi ucela ukuthi ukuboshwe yena ndani ukuthi ukuboshwe. I'll put the video on the end of the video of that mother. Ukhalela ukuthi ngiboshwe yena ndani ukuthi ukuboshwe Omotoso, uthi bambangisani umprofeti kaJehova. Umprofeti, where in the Bible it's written that umprofeti kaJehova bekahlukumeza abantwana abancane? Why is in the Bible? And that lady, into enye ngizisuhlungu, ukhuluma ngesizulu. Oh shembe. Into enye ngizisuhlungu ukhuluma ngesizulu ukuthi ucela ukuthi bamkhiphe kuboshwe yena. Just imagine. And I think uyabona wena nje lo mama mele aboshwe. Angithi ucela ukuboshwa. Makaboshwe because these ladies yibo laba ladies that means bebathumela labantwana kulo mfundisi knowing so well ukuthi umfundisi uyenzani. Umfundisi lo kadlala ngabo ngezo. And this thing abafundisi abasuka ngaphandle abasala eSouth Africa bathi bazoshuma izigama lenkosi while bazodlala ngengane zale South Africa. I think it's high time it needs to end, guys, because this is very painful, guys. Today you may take it light but you don't know kusasa kuzoyenzalani. So bazalwane, so please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like here and on my other channel, which is Umkhosi Nomakhatheni. So Umkhosi Nomakhatheni, and comment, subscribe, share. Angithanda ukuya nokubuya.
South Africa. South Africa. South Africa. Unenzeni umprofeti kaNkuluNkulu uThimo Motosho? Unenzeni kangaka? Unenzeni kangaka? Wenzeni kinina? Niyamazi uyanazi yini? Unenzeni? Sengiyacela. Ngicela nithathe mina ningibophe. Namhlanje ngiyayinikela esikhundleni sakhe ukuthi nifike nizongithatha. Fikani nithathe mina. Thathani mina. NguGrace Mkhwanazi igama lami. Ngihlala eMlazi. Ngiyakhonza le eBhalitho ebandleni likaMprofeti uThimo Motosho. Uma nifika nizongithatha ngeke ngize nginqabe. Engicelayo kunina ukuthi nikhiphe umprofeti kaNkuluNkulu. Maphoyisa ase South Africa la maphoyisa abamba izandla zomprofeti ayibopha. Ngiyacela nizenzele ifavor kuNkulunkulu. Nikhiphe umprofeti kaNkulunkulu nifake mina. At least mina angeke uNkulunkulu mhlamba nishaye kakhulu menithatha mina. Kodwa umprofeti kaNkulunkulu ngiyacela nguGrace Mkhwanazi igama lami. Ngiyacela mukhipheni nithathe mina. Ngiyayinikela esikhundleni sakhe. Ngiyayinikela esikhundleni sikaThimo Motosho. Ngithatheni noma ngingifaka kuliphi ijele. Anginayo